Himalayas, the incredible story of an ancient ocean. Friends, today we're talking about one of the most astonishing natural wonders on Earth, the Himalayan mountain range. But what you're about to learn might completely change how you see it. Did you know that the tallest mountain range on Earth was once at the bottom of a massive ocean? Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but it is completely true, backed by science. The story of the Tethys Sea. Around 50 million years ago, the map of our planet looked completely different. The Indian subcontinent and the Asian continent were not joined together as they are today. Between them lay a vast, deep ocean called the Tethys Sea. This ocean was home to thousands of species of marine life: fish, snails, corals, and countless other organisms. For millions of years, this sea kept the two landmasses separated, but the tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface are never still. They are constantly moving, ever so slowly, just a few centimeters each year. The Indian Tectonic Plate slowly began drifting northward, moving steadily toward the Asian Plate. When two continents collided about 50 million years ago, the Indian Plate collided forcefully with the Asian Plate. This was no ordinary event. It was one of the most massive geological events in Earth's history. When two enormous landmasses collide, that immense force has nowhere to go, so it pushes the Earth upward instead. Just like pushing a piece of cloth from both ends on a table causes it to fold and rise, the seabed of the Tethys Sea, its soil, rock, and sediment, slowly began rising upward. This process continued for hundreds of thousands, even millions of years. The ocean floor gradually rose, folded, cracked, and reshaped itself, until finally the tallest mountain range on Earth was born, the Himalayas. The Mount Everest we see today actually formed from what was once the floor of an ancient sea. Sea fossils on top of Everest. The most astonishing proof of this story is found right at the summit of Everest itself. When scientists studied the rocks at the top of Everest, they were stunned to discover fossils of marine creatures, snails, ancient sea animals, and remnants of ocean life hidden within limestone. Just imagine, nearly 8,000 meters above sea level, at the highest point on Earth, lie the remains of creatures that once lived at the bottom of the ocean. These fossils are the most powerful evidence scientists have that the Himalayas truly did rise from an ancient sea. The Himalayas are still growing, and that's not all. The story of the Himalayas isn't over yet. Remarkably, the Himalayas are still growing today. The Indian Tectonic Plate continues to push beneath the Asian Plate at a rate of about 5 centimeters per year, causing the height of the Himalayas to increase by roughly 5 millimeters every year. That number might sound small, but on a geological timescale, it's incredibly fast. It means that a million years from now, the Himalayas could stand nearly 5 kilometers taller than they are today, if erosion doesn't keep pace. This same ongoing tectonic pressure is also why this region experiences frequent earthquakes. The seismic activity in Nepal, Uttarakhand, and northeastern India is rooted in this very same massive tectonic collision still happening beneath our feet. A living proof of science. The Himalayas are truly a living textbook of Earth's history. Every rock, every layer tells a story hundreds of millions of years old. When someone looks at the Himalayas, they are actually looking at what was once the floor of an ancient ocean, a land that, after a billion-year geological journey, now touches the sky.